Are you overwhelmed with managing patient health data and ensuring adherence? Meet HealthWealth Safe's remote patient monitoring system, the solution that simplifies your practice, improves patient care, and reduces administrative stress. With seamless integration, our system allows you to monitor your patients' vitals in real time, ensuring their health is always in check. Automatic reminders and easy-to-use tracking tools keep your patients engaged and adherent to their care plans. Our RPM system ensures hassle-free Medicare compliance and streamlines billing, saving your clinic valuable time. Focus on what matters most: patient care, not paperwork. RPM simplifies your practice so you can do just that. See how simple healthcare can be with HealthWealth Safe. Request your demo today